welcome to this episode. Today we're unpacking a new kind of procrastination that doesn't look like the old kind. It's not about avoiding work or being distracted. Instead, it looks productive, endless exploring, researching, simulating options. But somehow, nothing really moves forward.
Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? With AI tools, we can dive into so many possibilities. Career paths, business strategies, financial models. It feels like real progress because we're busy gathering information. But that busyness can actually stall real decisions.
Right. So the document we're discussing introduces a simple mental model called TAJ, thinking, asking, judging, to help make sense of this. Thinking means clarifying what decision you actually need to make. Asking is gathering information, which AI makes effortless. Judging is the hardest part, making a choice and committing.
I like that. So procrastination used to happen before asking, when gathering info was hard or slow. But now AI makes asking so easy that procrastination happens after, right at judging. That's where the real friction is, because choosing means closing doors and accepting risk.
Exactly. And that's a key insight. Exploration without commitment often hides fear. Fear of being wrong, fear of losing options, fear of disappointing others, or fear of owning consequences. Judging requires contraction, reducing options, which feels like loss. So instead, we keep expanding options to feel safer.
The document calls this the Contraction Principle. After exploring, you deliberately reduce your options, say from 10 to 3, then from 3 to 1 testable direction. Without this contraction, exploration just becomes intellectual entertainment, not real progress.
That makes sense. But Chloe, do you think people sometimes confuse exploration with actual progress?
Definitely. It feels productive because you're busy, but without deciding, you're stuck. The most disciplined professionals aren't those who explore endlessly, but those who stop exploring at the right moment and commit. Leadership and growth reward committed iteration, not infinite comparison.
That's a bit provocative, isn't it? So you don't need perfect certainty to decide. You just need directional courage. Might can help you see more options, but it can't choose for you or bear the cost of indecision.
So practically, if you find yourself stuck exploring, ask yourself, what am I afraid will happen if I choose? What discomfort am I avoiding? And what small commitment can I test in the next 30 days? Make that commitment visible. Write it down, share it, name the risk.
Movement restores agency. Endless exploration without commitment dissolves it. AI expands possibility, but it can't replace the courage to choose.
To wrap up, remember TAJ. Think clearly about the decision, ask widely to gather info, and judge deliberately to move forward. AI helps you see options, but you still have to decide.
That's a powerful reminder for all of us navigating choices in this AI-driven world. Thanks for joining us today.